time.
Is it picture time?
Boring video.
Are you still taking video?
Video.
Okay, I think you should stop before I break your fucking iPod and your
No,
phone.
I need it.
Oh, well, you can use my phone. I can download it.
I'm cold, Joanna. Why?
I told you, go stick your fingers up someone's vagina.
I don't want to stick it up her freaking nasty, grossness.
You'll get squirrel AIDS.
No.
What the fuck?
These are the cold earphones. I love these. They're so cold.
I don't get what the difference is.
They're cold.
the
Because they
earphones?
have metal. Because it's cold.
Your vagina has metal.
No, it doesn't.
You have a vaginal brace.
No, I
You have a
don't.
piercing.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No,
We're
I
not
don't.
believing you.
Roman would know. He's seen it.
Guys.
Look at these
Horrible.
hoes. Look at these hoes.
You guys pick on me all the time.
We do.
I hope I don't get earwax in here.
Ew, that's gross.
I hate when, like, I'll get my earphone back and there's like a piece. I'm like, ugh.
That's